Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change account location in Roblox. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now, let's jump straight into it. First thing you want to do is head over to the Roblox website. Now, look at the URL address. It probably ends with /home. You want to replace that part with /support. So it takes you straight to the support page. Once you're on the support page, scroll down until you see the form. This is where you're gonna fill in all the details. For the email address, type in twice to confirm, and then you can select your device. Just pick the one you use to play Roblox, PC, mobile, tablet, whatever. Under help category, select how to. Then for the help subcategory, choose how to change my location. Next, in the big description box, you want to explain that you have moved to a different country. Just say something like, I have moved countries and my current country is Japan. Please update my location. Then hit continue, and that's gonna send your request to Roblox support. They will take care of the rest and update your location. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.